Well, hey everyone, this is Mr. Pearson, and today we are going to look at the geographic features that we find in South America and then across the Atlantic Ocean in the continent of Africa. So first up, let's take a trip to South America. In South America, we're going to find these three important geographic features, ones that we need to know, and they are the Amazon River, the Amazon rainforest, and the Andes Mountains. Now, the Amazon River, as you can see here on the map, it flows through the northern part of South America, up in the northern region of the continent, and it goes almost across the entire continent. In fact, it is the second longest river in the world. We know that the Mississippi River is the third longest, but the Amazon River is the second longest. And you take a look over here, you can see it's a very windy river. It almost looks like a snake in this picture from flying overhead, but that's the Amazon River. Next up, we have the Amazon rainforest, and this is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. It says down here that there's an incredible diversity of plants and animals that live in this rainforest. There are so many species of plants and animals that live in the rainforest that scientists aren't even able to find them all or count them all. It's crazy. And if you look over here, you can see that the Amazon rainforest takes up a good portion of the northern part of South America. It takes up a good large portion up here. There's a lot of rain there. It's very warm. It's very tropical. There are all kinds of animals and plants, which we already said, that live in this region. But it is the largest tropical rainforest in the world. And then, also in South America, we have something called the Andes Mountains. And this is the longest land mountain range in the world. Sometimes we use the word continental. And what that means is that it's all on land. And if you take a look at this map here, you can see that the Andes Mountains run from almost in the top of the continent down the western coast all the way to the southern tip. It runs through probably 7 or 8 different countries, and it is over 4,000 miles long. It's a very, very long mountain range found there in South America. So again, those features are the Amazon River, which is the second longest river in the world, the Amazon rainforest, which is the largest tropical rainforest, and the Andes Mountains, which run along the western coast, and they are the longest land mountain range in the world. A lot of really great features here in South America. Now, moving across the Atlantic Ocean over to the continent of Africa, we're going to discuss the Nile River, the Sahara Desert, and the Atlas Mountains. And if you think I'm not going to make jokes about the Nile River, well, then you must be in denial. See, that was the first one. All right, the first geographic feature that we're going to look at is the Nile River, and it is the longest river in the world. If we have the Nile River, then the Amazon River, then the Mississippi River, and the Nile River, it actually flows from the center of the continent all the way up to the Mediterranean Sea. It flows, I believe this is called Lake Victoria here, and it flows up through several countries, including Egypt, up to the Mediterranean Sea, which is located right here in this area. It is the longest river in the world. Then we have the Sahara Desert, and the Sahara Desert is found in the northern part of Africa, and it is the largest hot desert in the world. Lots of sand there, lots of other things. It's very dry. They don't get a lot of rain or anything like that, and temperatures can reach well over 100 degrees during the daytime. One of the important things that they have in this region is they have a lot of salt mines, and salt is a very important natural resource that they need. We're going to learn more about that when we discuss the civilization of Mali. But this is the Sahara Desert, and it is the largest hot desert in the world. And then finally on our trip, we're going to look at the Atlas Mountains. And the Atlas Mountains are located in the northwestern region of Africa. And they are a mountain range that separate the coastline of Africa over here with the Atlantic Ocean and the Sahara Desert. And they run primarily through the countries of Morocco and Tunisia, and looks like different places like that. And so these are the Atlas Mountains, and they are, like I said, they separate the coastline of Africa from the Sahara Desert. So those are the three parts of Africa that you need to know: the Nile River, which is the longest river in the world; the Sahara Desert, which is the largest hot desert in the world; and the Atlas Mountains, which separate the coastline of Africa from the Sahara Desert. All right, again, my name is Mr. Pearson, and thank you for traveling to check out these two continents with me today, South America and Africa. We'll see you next time.